This video will cover the structure of the bone model. So this piece right here is a pie-shaped wedge. Think of cutting, say, your femur in a transverse section, a cross section this way, and then you're seeing it, you'd have this round femur that went all the way around like this with this opening in the middle, and then you're looking at a pie-shaped wedge of it. Wrapping around the outside of the bone right here is what's called the periosteum. Peri means around, osteum means bone. The periosteum is a tough cartilage layer that wraps, or not cartilage, connective tissue layer that wraps around the bone. As you know, compact bone is composed of osteons. So right here between my fingers is an osteon. So let's look at that osteon up close. I'm going to bring it a little closer in right here. So here is an osteon. Osteons are cylindrically shaped, so you're looking at a section of it. Just remember this from histology when you looked at osteons. So you can see the layers right here, the cylinder shape, and it's kind of pulled out. So it looks like a wedding cake. But you can also see, if you look from the side, these cylindrically shaped osteons. But this is a section of an osteon, and it's composed like a target, looks like a cut tree, of many rings. And those rings are called lamellae. Lamellae means layers. And then at the edge of those rings, you see these little bitty holes right here that look like eyeballs with eyelashes, and those are lacunae. Just like in cartilage, the lacunae, which means lake, hold cells, and the cells in this case are osteocytes. So within the lacunae are osteocytes. And then these thin black lines that are connecting the lacunae that look like eyelashes on them, those are canaliculi. Canaliculi, it means little canals. One of my students taught me to remember how to say it because it sounds like, can I lick your eye? Canaliculi. The hole in the center of the osteon is called the central canal. Let's back up now. And the central canal has capillaries in it. So some of these are shown with the capillaries, some are shown without. So this little hole in the middle of an osteon is a capillary. And this whole wedge-shaped area is all compact bone composed of all these different osteons. If you look at the edge of the bone right here, you see a little bit of spongy bone. Spongy bone is composed of these little plates like this that are called trabeculae. So trabeculae, and then you can see the red marrow among the spongy bone. If this were a complete bone that went all the way around like this, then you would see right here the medullary cavity that would be filled with yellow marrow.